What I found the most fascinating was learning how to respond to other types of personalities.
My insights report was strangely accurate. There's so many pieces of information in there that you wouldn't necessarily identify without the full report.
Once you understand that they're responding to the world because they have a different way of seeing the world, then there's opportunity to be able to come to agreement in a much more comprehensive and constructive way.
At first I was thinking this is very much sort of a professional workshop, but actually it's really great to then see how that overlaps into your personal life and family, etc.
Today has been such a great interactive workshop, so many prompts, so many tools to help you identify your personality and other personalities within your team.
It's literally an insight into who they are.